Hello everybody. In this video we are going to create a queue for that ActiveMQ what we have created. Then from there we have to go ahead and configure the Lambda functions to trigger the message from the ActiveMQ. So let's go ahead to the ActiveMQ. So here you have to click on that queues menu and give a name of the queue. Let's say I'm giving my first queue and go ahead and create that queue. So my first queue has been created. So let's go to the Lambda functions. Let me go to the home screens. I'll click on the Lambda and the latest one which I have created is the my first ActiveMQ Lambda. Go ahead for this. So if you see the permissions, as we have already assigned the permissions to this role, you could see the different permissions what we have given. We have given the EC2 alloc out permissions, key management service, then secrets manager, then we have also given to the ActiveMQ. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the configurations. So what we can do to fetch the message from the ActiveMQ, we have to create a trigger. So select the configurations, then you have to click on the add trigger. In the trigger you have to search for MQ. So the MQ will be displayed. Select the MQ. So there are few options will be displayed. In the Amazon MQ broker you have to select the MQ you have created. It will be my first ActiveMQ. So the batch size, if you could see, the batch size is default is 100, but it's about the maximum message that can be sent from the queue to the Lambda function in a batch. So it is configuring as a 100, so we don't need 100. So for that I am just creating as a 1. The base size will be 1. So a single message we need posted to the ActiveMQ to that queue, then that message will be triggered by the Lambda. Then the queue name, we have given the same queue name. We'll give it. The queue name is my first queue. Let me give that same name over here. My first queue. Give the same name. My first queue. Yes. So next, you have to select the secrets manager. The secrets manager what we have configured. The same secrets manager you have to select over here, so it will be displayed. It will be pro/ActiveMQ. I think POC/ActiveMQ. So you could see the path, so it's selected. Then we have to put the enable trigger. Go ahead and add it. So it's showing that an error occurred while creating the trigger. Secret value doesn't have the accepted format username. Okay, so this is something we have to do in the secrets manager. So it's glad we can find in this way. So the key should be username and another key will be the password. So in that way we have to configure the secrets manager. So let's go ahead and go to the secrets manager. I'll find over here. Click on this POC/ActiveMQ. We have to go ahead and edit it. Let's see where I can edit these things. Retrieve secrets menu. You could see over here, this is test. So this is not the way we have to configure. We have to go ahead and edit the encryption key. Not this one. We have to go ahead and edit the description key. No, I think we will go ahead and edit the secrets. Yes. So here will be the, I guess it will be the username. That asking for the username. So copy the username over here. This will be test. And you have to pass a password. Password will be the password which you have given for the creation of the ActiveMQ. So this is the password. Let's go ahead and save it. Okay, so this is the username, this is the password. Anything else I have to do? I think all we have done. So the secrets is ready. So what you can do, you can go ahead and again select this, close this one, select the ActiveMQ. I guess I have to refresh it. Still showing. Let's go ahead and select the secrets manager. Retrieve secrets value. This is looks good. So what I can do, let me go ahead and refresh again. Go back to the Lambda. I have to go to the functions. Go to the my first ActiveMQ Lambda because it's not refreshing the secrets manager. Let's go ahead and create the trigger. Select the MQ again and select the my first ActiveMQ. I have to select the base size as 1. Queue name will be my first queue. My first queue. Then the secrets manager will be productive queue. So now it's good. So this the username password which error was showing before, it's gone. Just I'm going to check whether my first queue and this queue the name is correct. Yes, it looks correct. Now go ahead and add it. So we have created the trigger functions. So it looks good. So in the next video we are going to push the message into ActiveMQ and see in the Lambda functions through the CloudWatch logs. See you guys in the next videos and thank you for watching.